Marine Dancer Football House Series CI. Simple, convenient, flexible, and eco-friendly. CI001 Single Layer Folding. Dimension of 5-fold 3.58 x 4.33 x 2.29 meters. Open floor plan. Total area 15.5 square meters. Dimensional fold 3.8 x 2.27 x 2.5 meters. A 40 HQ freight container can hold 3 CI001. CI002 Single Layer Folding. Dimension of 5-fold 5.7 x 4.31 x 2.29 meters. A multifunctional space design. Total area 24.57 square meters. Dimensional fold 5.7 x 2.27 x 2.5 meters. A 4 HQ freight container can hold 2 CI002. CI003 Single Layer Folding. Dimension of 5-fold 11.5 x 4.31 x 2.29 meters. A family suite. Total area 49.57 square meters. Dimension of fold 11.5 x 2.27 x 2.5 meters. Can be held in 40 HQ freight container. CI004 Double Layer Folding. Dimension of 5-fold 5.7 x 3.989 x 4.64 meters. A detached house with a terrace. Total area 43.05 square meters. Dimension of fold 5.7 x 2.25 x 2.5 meters. A 4 HQ freight container can hold 2 CI004. CI005 Double Layer Folding. Dimension of 5-fold 11.5 x 3.989 x 4.64 meters. 2-story house design with 3 bedroom and 1 terrace. Total area 88.2 square meters. Dimension of fold 11.5 x 2.25 x 2.5 meters. Can be held in the 40 HQ freight container. Football House Series CI all completely adapt steel structure frame. Exterior wall adopts excellent aircraft aluminum sheets. High strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight. Stable overall structure, easy to transport and easy to install. Keep high leak-proofness after unfolding. Meanwhile, all CI series can be configured with new energy accessories. Football House Series CI. Your diverse housing options.